We all dream, but not everyone lives their dream. Some people just imagine success, while others wake up every single day to create it. The difference isn't luck, it's not talent. The real difference is effort. Every great journey starts with a dream. Without dreams, there would be no goals, no direction, no purpose. But remember this, a dream without a plan is just a fantasy, and a plan without action is nothing but words on paper. The truth is, a dream can either inspire you or weigh you down. It depends on what you do with it. So ask yourself, what's the dream that's still alive inside you? Failure is not your enemy. Failure is your teacher. Every mistake carries a lesson. Every time you fall, you learn a better way to stand up. Imagine a life without failure. You would never grow, never adapt, never discover what really works. The greatest achievers in history didn't reach the top on their first try. They failed, they struggled, but they got up again and again. That's why they became great. Now think about this. The last time you failed, did you stop? Or did you keep going? Feeling tired doesn't mean you worked hard. Tiredness is just a feeling, but effort is proof. Effort means pushing forward when your mind says enough. Effort means waking up earlier, even when you want to sleep. Effort means choosing the hard path instead of the easy one, because your future is worth it. Think of every athlete, every entrepreneur, every leader you admire. They didn't succeed because it was easy. They succeeded because their effort was greater than their excuses. So how do you turn your dream into reality? Here's a simple path. Write your dream down clearly. Break it into small, actionable steps. Commit to doing one step every single day. Review your progress at the end of each week. Embrace change, because growth always requires change. Success isn't about giant leaps. Success is built on small, consistent actions repeated over time. Ask yourself, what's the step you can take today, right after this video, to get closer to your dream? Success is not just about money or fame. Real success is about impact, the difference you make in other people's lives. How many people can honestly say you inspired them? How many lives are better because of your effort? Every act of effort you put in doesn't only change you, it changes the people around you. In the end, your life is measured not only by what you achieve for yourself, but also by the value you gave to others. Success is a simple equation. The level of effort you put in equals the level of results you get. If you want the top, you have to give more. If you want greatness, your effort has to be greater than your excuses. Every hour, every minute, every second of effort becomes a currency, and that currency is called success. So here's my final question for you. What is the one thing you'll be proud of 10 years from now because you chose to start today?